near White Cloud, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect rain damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Nuevo County, including the following locations: Woodville and Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.